Hello again, future millionaires. We're back at it again with another story that's stranger than fiction, yet 100% true. Picture this. A guy who barely knows anything about writing transforms into a publishing powerhouse worth millions of dollars. No, this isn't a movie plot. It's the real-life journey of Stefan James. But the thing is, Stefan built this empire without writing a single word himself. Crazy, right? But wait, it gets better. He did it all by tapping into a gold mine that's been right under our noses, Amazon's book publishing platform. In the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal how Stefan went from zero to hero. So if you're ready to have your perceptions shattered and your ambitions ignited, stick around. This isn't just another get-rich-quick scheme. It's a masterclass in spotting opportunities and building an empire that could change your life forever. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of Stefan's success? Let's dive in. Let's start at the beginning. When Stefan James started out, he wasn't born into wealth, he didn't have any special connections, and he certainly wasn't a seasoned businessman. But what he did have was a passion for the internet and a burning desire to create something meaningful. Now you might be thinking, sure, but becoming a millionaire? That's just a pipe dream, right? Well, it all started when Stefan discovered the world of online business. He was fascinated by the idea of creating something that could generate income while he slept. But like many of us, he didn't know where to start. That's when he stumbled upon Amazon's Kindle Direct publishing platform. Here's the kicker. Stefan realized that Amazon had revolutionized the book industry. Gone were the days when you needed a big publishing house to get your work out there. With Kindle Direct Publishing, anyone, yes, anyone, could become an author and reach millions of potential readers worldwide. But Stefan wasn't a writer, you say? Well, here's where it gets interesting. He didn't need to be. Stefan understood that the key to success wasn't just in writing books, but in publishing them. He saw the bigger picture, a business model that could scale and grow beyond just one book. So what did Stefan do? He started small. He invested in learning everything he could about self-publishing on Amazon. He studied the market, analyzed successful books, and developed a strategy. And then, with just a small investment, he launched his first book. His first book was titled 67 Morning Ritual Habits for Your Body, Mind, and Spirit. Now, how can such a small investment lead to a $1 million business? Well, let me break it down for you. That money covered the cost of hiring a writer and creating a simple book cover. Stefan focused on topics he was passionate about, starting with self-development and personal growth. Here's where it gets exciting. Stefan's first book started making sales. Not millions right away, but enough to prove his concept. He was onto something, but Stefan didn't stop there. He took those initial profits and reinvested them into creating more books. Let's talk numbers for a second. Imagine selling a Kindle book for $2.99. With Amazon's 70% royalty rate, you're making about $2.07 per sale. Sell 100 copies a month, and you're looking at $207 in monthly royalties. Not bad, right? But Stefan didn't stop at ebooks. He expanded into paperbacks and audiobooks too. Here's a mind-blowing fact. A paperback priced at $12.99 could net you $5.64 per sale. Sell 100 copies, and you're looking at $564 per month. Add in audiobooks at $6.95 a pop, earning you $2.08 per sale, and you've got another $208 monthly for 100 copies sold. Add it all up, and you're approaching $1,000 a month in royalties from just one book. But Stefan's genius was in scaling this model. He didn't just create one book, he created multiple books, each one adding to his monthly income. And remember, this is passive income, money coming in while he slept, traveled, or worked on his next project. Now, I can see you getting excited. You're probably thinking, this sounds amazing, but I'm not a writer. Well, here's the beauty of Stefan's model. You don't have to be. Just like big publishing companies don't write their own books, you can hire writers to create content for you. Stefan used ghostwriters to research and write high-quality books on topics he was passionate about. And get this, you don't even have to use your own name if you don't want to. Amazon's platform allows for anonymous publishing. Your focus can be on the business side, choosing topics, hiring writers, and marketing your books. Speaking of marketing, with over 2.2 billion monthly visitors, Amazon provided an incredible opportunity to reach potential readers. Stefan focused on optimizing his book titles, descriptions, and keywords to show up in Amazon searches. He used Amazon's internal advertising system to promote his books. He also drove external traffic to his Amazon listings through blogs, social media, and email marketing. As his sales grew, Amazon's algorithm started to favor his books, showing them to more potential buyers. It was a snowball effect. More sales led to more visibility, which led to even more sales. Now we saw how he built the foundation of his million-dollar empire through Amazon book publishing. Now let's dive into how he took that success and multiplied it, creating a multifaceted business that would catapult him into the seven-figure club in less than 3 years. Let's start with how Stefan scaled his book publishing business. He didn't just publish one successful book and call it a day. No, he created a system, a repeatable process that allowed him to publish multiple books across various topics. Each book became a new income stream, a new way to reach readers, and a new opportunity to grow his brand. One of the key strategies Stefan used was cross-promoting his books. Instead of relying on a single title to carry his business, he bundled related books together, effectively creating a network of titles that promoted each other. By grouping books that shared similar themes or topics, he increased the chances of readers purchasing multiple titles at once. This approach not only maximized the visibility of each book, but also leveraged the synergy between them. By offering incentives like discounts on additional books during checkout or in follow-up emails, Stefan effectively encouraged customers to explore and purchase more from his collection. And by the way, if you're enjoying the video so far and learning something, consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. It will really help out a lot. Here's where it gets really interesting. Stefan realized that the real gold mine wasn't just in selling books. It was in building relationships with his readers. He started including bonuses in his books, like free ebooks or video tutorials. But here's the clever part. To access these bonuses, readers had to opt in with their email addresses. Do you see what he did there? With each book sale, Stefan wasn't just making a few dollars in royalties. He was building an email list of engaged readers interested in his content. And in online business, an email list is like striking oil. Speaking of email marketing, did you know it offers the best return on investment in digital marketing? On average, you can expect to earn $44 for every $1 spent on email marketing. That's an incredible 4,400% ROI. If you're looking to get started with email marketing, consider MailerLite. It's one of the best and most affordable platforms out there. You can sign up for free by clicking the link in the description below and start building your email list today. Now, let's talk about how Stefan used this email list to skyrocket his income. He started by nurturing his subscribers with valuable content, establishing himself as an authority in his niche. Then he began introducing them to other products and services. This is where affiliate marketing came into play. Stefan started promoting relevant products to his email list, earning commissions on each sale. But he didn't just promote any product. He carefully selected high-quality offerings that aligned with his audience's interests. Let me give you an example of how powerful this can be. Imagine promoting a course that pays a $100 commission. If you sold just 100 of these per month, that's an additional $10,000 in your pocket. If you promote a product that pays $200 commission, and if you refer 100 buyers each month, you will earn $20,000. But it doesn't stop there. You can choose to promote high-priced products that pay even higher commissions. We're talking $500, $1,000, or even $2,000 per sale. And here's something really exciting. There's actually a product out there that pays up to $3,000 commission per customer. It's John Thrill's Ambassador Program, and you can find more information about it in the video description. Suddenly, with these high-ticket items, you only need a handful of sales each month to add another 5 figures to your income. Cross-promotion and affiliate marketing strategies applied to this business model help us earn hundreds of dollars for each customer. so he can comfortably run ads without worrying about losing money. But Stefan's genius didn't stop at affiliate marketing. He realized that with the trust he had built with his audience, he could create and sell his own products. This is where his business really took off. Stefan started developing online courses, coaching programs, and digital products based on the topics he wrote about in his books. These products allowed him to serve his audience at a deeper level while significantly increasing his income potential. Think about it. While a book might sell for $10, $20, an online course could sell for hundreds or even thousands of dollars. And because Stefan had already established himself as an expert through his books and email content, his audience was primed and ready to invest in these higher ticket offerings. Now, let's talk about branding. Stefan understood that to truly scale his business, he needed to build a personal brand. He launched his YouTube channel, Project Life Mastery, which quickly grew to over 1 million subscribers. This platform allowed him to reach even more people, further establishing his authority and driving more traffic to his books and products. But here's where Stefan's strategy gets really clever. He didn't just use his YouTube channel to promote his products directly. Instead, he focused on providing massive value, sharing insights, strategies, and motivation with his audience. This approach built trust and credibility, making his viewers much more likely to check out his books and courses. His strategy has proven incredibly successful, with over 26,000 people taking his paid course and generating millions of dollars in revenue. This impressive figure demonstrates the effectiveness of his value-first approach. Now, you might be thinking, this all sounds great, but it must have taken a ton of time and effort. And you're right, building a 7-figure business isn't a walk in the park. But here's the beauty of Stefan's model. Much of it could be automated or outsourced. Remember how Stefan hired writers for his books? He applied the same principle to other areas of his business. He built a team to help manage his social media, create content for his courses, and handle customer support. This allowed him to focus on high-level strategy and continue expanding his business. Let's talk about some more numbers to really drive home how powerful this model can be. That's the power of building a brand and having multiple income streams all working together. But perhaps the most impressive aspect of Stefan's journey is how he took his initial success with Amazon book publishing and used it as a springboard to build a comprehensive online business empire. Now let's talk about how you can apply these strategies to your own life and start your journey to financial freedom. First things first, let's address the elephant in the room. You might be thinking, this all sounds great, but I'm not Stefan James. Can I really do this? The answer is a resounding yes. Remember, Stefan started just like many of us, with no special advantages, just a willingness to learn and work hard. So, how can you get started? Let's break it down into actionable steps. Step 1. Choose your niche. The first step is to choose a topic you're passionate about. This could be anything from self-help to cooking, from fitness to finance. The key is to pick something you enjoy, and that has a market on Amazon. Stefan's success began with self-development books, but the possibilities are endless. Step 2. Create your first book. Now don't panic. Remember, you don't have to write the book yourself. Just like Stefan, you can hire a ghostwriter to create content for you. Websites like Upwork or Fiverr are great places to find talented writers. The cost can range from $150 to $1,000, depending on the length and complexity of the book. Step 3. Publish on Amazon. This is where the magic happens. Amazon's Kindle Direct publishing platform makes it incredibly easy to publish your book. You'll need a compelling title, an eye-catching cover, which you can also outsource, and a well-written description. Don't forget to use relevant keywords to help your book show up in Amazon searches. Step 4. Market your book. Marketing is crucial to your success. Use Amazon's internal advertising system to promote your book. But don't stop there. Leverage social media, start a blog, or even create YouTube videos to drive traffic to your Amazon listing. Remember, the more visibility your book gets, the more sales you'll make. Step 5. Scale your business. Once you've published your first book and started seeing sales, It's time to scale. Create more books, expanding into different formats like paperbacks and audiobooks. Each new book is a new income stream, and they all work together to build your brand and authority. Step 6. Build your email list. Remember how Stefan used free bonuses to collect email addresses? You can do the same. Offer additional value to your readers in exchange for their email. This list will become one of your most valuable assets as you grow your business. Step 7. Expand beyond books. As your audience grows, start thinking about other products you can offer. This could be online courses, coaching services, or digital products. You can also explore affiliate marketing, promoting products that would be valuable to your audience. Building a successful business takes effort and dedication. But here's the good news. You don't have to figure it all out on your own. This is where Stefan James's course comes in. Stefan has taken everything he's learned on his journey to success and packaged it into a comprehensive, step-by-step program. This course is designed to guide you through every stage of building your Amazon publishing business, from choosing your niche to scaling to 6 figures and beyond. Let's talk about what's included in this course. Niche selection. Learn how to choose a profitable niche that aligns with your interests and has strong market demand. Book creation. Discover the secrets to creating high-quality books, even if you're not a writer yourself. This includes tips on working with ghostwriters and designers, publishing mastery, marketing strategies, scaling techniques, and so much more valuable knowledge can be learned through this course. If you're interested in learning more about this course and potentially enrolling, I encourage you to check out the link in the video description below. It contains all the details you need to get started on your own publishing journey. However, perhaps the most valuable aspect of this course is the community. When you enroll, you're not just getting information. You're joining a group of like-minded individuals all working towards the same goal. You'll have access to support, motivation, and the opportunity to learn from others who are on the same journey. Now, you might be wondering, is this course really worth it? Well, let's put it into perspective. Remember, Stefan went from zero to millionaire in less than 3 years using these exact strategies. The potential return on investment is enormous. Think about it this way. Even if this course helps you create just one successful book that earns you an extra $1,000 per month, that's $12,000 a year in passive income, and that's just the beginning. As you apply these strategies and scale your business, your income potential is virtually limitless. Here's the bottom line. If you're serious about creating financial freedom through online business, this course provides a clear, proven roadmap to success. It takes the guesswork out of the process, helping you avoid costly mistakes and fast-track your journey to profitability. So, are you ready to take the first step towards your own success story? Are you ready to join Stefan and thousands of others who have changed their lives through Amazon publishing? The opportunity is here, right now, waiting for you to seize it. Don't wait any longer. Take action today and sign up for the course to discover your potential in the world of Amazon publishing. Find out how you can transform your life and business by clicking the link below. And hey, if this video taught you something new, smash that like button and drop your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching. Let's make some millions together. Until next time.